Put it on. Neck and back massager.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Whoa. Oh,
It's my first time. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. I thought you were putting it on me. So this is a neck and back massager. You kind of held it here. I guess you could do it yourself. I just wasn't paying attention. But yeah, this is a neck. Oh, this is a neck. Okay, that does. Oh, geez, that just shot something up into my back of my brain. That feels great. So it does your back. Oh, yeesh. Yeah, it gets into your neck. This is a cordless neck and back massager. So it's got a giant battery in it. It's got 4 different modes. It has heat, and then it also has a button for intensity. Basically, intensity is low and high. So you can play with the modes and figure out the intensity that you want. So you have your on and off button here, your mode button here, which basically one mode goes forward, the other one goes backwards, and then one's intermittent, I guess. And I forget what the 4th mode is, but I guess you just play with it until you know the one you want. It also has heat on and off here, so I can turn heat on and off. It does come with a USB-C cable, but you can plug it into any USB-C cable. At this point, everyone probably has millions of them, and then you have your intensity here. So like I said, it does the neck, which is nice.
Mm-hmm. And the back too.
And then the back, yeah, the back. The back is.
It's amazing.
I don't feel the back that much.
But I think it's the whole. It's almost as if somebody's massaging your shoulders.
Oh, I feel it. I think.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel it now. Yeah.
Like
It feels like someone's. Yeah, you know what? It feels like this. It feels like
Yeah.
someone's doing this.
Yeah.
Ah. Mm-hmm. I'm telling you, when I first put it on, it shot a relief up my.
Yeah.
Oh, my glasses on.
Ooh.
Up my back. This is nice, dude. You can sit in a car. It's got a battery. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. This is the. We should probably show the box. This is the product right here. All right. Now.